From this moment on, you will now be known as Sharkbait.
Sharkbait!
Hi guys, my name's Celeste, and as I told you guys, I bought a Kia K4 and I wanted to show you guys how I decorated it. And lately I've been really obsessed with sharks, so it will entail of a lot of shark stuff. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Obviously in the intro you saw my phone case is a shark. I got it on AliExpress. And then I wanted to show you guys my keys. So first of all, with my Kia K4, I got this purple. They had a more blue one, but I feel like this purple one suited it better. And I bought this on Amazon for like $12. But yeah, it works fine. The cover works fine, like 10 out of 10. And then I saw all the girlies wearing a Lululemon wristlet. And I saw this pool party one, and it matched my Labubu, which you'll see later on in this video. But it gave shark vibes, it gave summer, it gave pool party. Legit, that's what it's called, pool party. And I wanted to keep the theme going that I had in my car, so I got that. And then on my car keys as well, like first of all, it's push to start, so I could literally have anything on this wristlet. And then I bought new AirPods because I lost my AirPod case at school. And I didn't realize that Apple AirPods got really cheap, because I think I spent $200 in 2020 for my AirPods. But yeah, I got it a little shark case. And ironically, the shark case came with a cleaner, which barely fits in here, but yeah, it came with this to clean it, and little earbud holders. This doesn't match my car at all, but I do keep these sunglasses in my car. They're my race ones, but the pink, I love the pink so much, so I always wear them. Part of the things I'm showing you guys is just everything that I keep on my car. So I have this Waves first aid kit. Right now, all I have in it is Band-Aids, but I might, and pasties, but I might add other things. But obviously this goes with the Wave shark thing. I showed you guys this in my other video, but I bought little turtle. They're supposed to be air freshener vents, and I put them there, but yeah. And then I need more of these, but some fresheners. These smell like nothing, I will say. They smell like nothing, so don't get your hopes up. I just bought them to look cute. Session started with this Hello Kitty I got in San Francisco, or Santa Cruz, my bad. I keep saying San Francisco. And I bought these two little like Mufasa hippers on AliExpress, and I was hoping I got this one, and I did unbox this one on YouTube, but it matches the little shark theme on my CarPlay as well. And then this is my shark Labubu, and this is the thing that I said matched my wristlet, so that's why I really liked it. I will say too, my phone case really matches the shark Hello Kitty. And then this charm was on my phone, but I moved it because I had to get a new phone case. But yeah, I do have more blue stuff. Like this is a Hello Kitty that my mom gave me, and this is another shark Labubu that I got, and I just think it matches so well. So this is just my purse, but other things I keep in my car are reusable bags. I have this reusable bag because I do not want to waste plastic, and I got it on Lemonade. I want it. I don't even know how. I don't feel like I do too much on Lemonade, but yeah. And then my car mats, I don't remember where they're from, to be really fair. They're this burgundy color, but they didn't come with the car. I had it in my old car, and I never I just had them in the garage. My cup holders are pretty big and spacious. They could fit bigger cups, and I love that. And these are just my school glasses because I'm on the computer a lot. I know they're kind of like dirty, and like I have a lot of dust in my car right now. But yeah, I don't eat in my car. But these glasses, they have UV or like blue light protection. Oh my gosh, I have cat hair in here. In the back, I have Sharkbait Jr., and he's just chilling strapped in. He's like a muscle shark. But yeah, so things that I'm missing in my car are car seat covers and a steering wheel cover. My only issue with that right now is that I cannot find a K4 Kia steering wheel cover that fits, and I'm not sure if the universal ones will fit it. I saw some girl have this pink fuzzy one, and I wanted something similar like that, but in blue or something, even like if it were navy blue. And I just can't find it right now, nor car seat covers. I also wanted to say that I'm gonna be getting this little trash can right here on AliExpress. I just haven't had the chance to get it, but it's a white one. I don't really want to keep trash in my car, but I know sometimes I get little scraps of trash that I don't want lying around in my car, so that's the purpose for that. And last but not least, I got these I got these wave plate covers, which I'm showing you guys right here. I don't want to post my license plate, obviously, because just I don't want to invade my own privacy. But yeah, and I did want to say that my entire car is like ocean shark themed, because my car's name is Sharkbait hoo ha ha from Nemo. And I did wanted to say as well that Georgia has a Georgia aquarium license plate, and I'm gonna show it right here, and it's so stinking cute. I cannot wait to get it. I have to wait for my first license plate to come in before I could go get the other license plate, but the annual fee for it is $25, and I don't mind paying it because they say that it goes to proceeds of like marine research, and that's a good cost, and I would not mind giving my money to that, especially after hearing that Tarako, I don't know how to pronounce the name, Tarako, the great like whale shark, he passed away. So yeah, I'm kind of sad. I love like sharks and whatnot, and so honestly I can't wait to get the license plate. And yeah, I was gonna get a custom nameplate, but I didn't get a chance to ask how much that cost. But for now, like, I don't want to show my license plate, but I'm about to show you guys a snippet of one of the stickers I was sure I wanted on my car, and it is a salt life sticker. Unfortunately, I did find out that the CEO is like trash, but to be fair, like, I got it for the nostalgia, because when I was younger my dad always had a salt life sticker on his truck, and we did not live near the ocean. And mind you, I don't have a good relationship with my dad and my family in general, but I do like to think about the humors of having a salt life sticker and just going on family vacations. And so I hope you guys enjoy it. Like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any more ideas of what I should add to my car. But for now, this is it.